Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by converting your range into a proper table so formulas and the tool reference stable ranges. Once done, fix common issues. Remove merge cells, convert text numbers, and trim stray spaces. This prevents errors later. Then enable and open the Data Analysis Tool Pack or the Analyze Data pane. You do this now because the tool relies on clean headers and consistent types. Make sure column types are correct before running any analysis, because it saves time during model selection and calculation. Next, you pick the specific analysis that matches your question, descriptive stats to summarize, regression to model relationships, or pivot-based summaries for categories. Once selected, specify the input range and indicate whether the first row has labels. This aligns results to your headers. Make sure to set the output to a new sheet so results don't overwrite data, and adjust options like confidence level, residuals, or grouping. These choices control what the tool computes and how interpretable the output will be. Finally, review the generated tables and charts. Read coefficients, p-values, r-squared, and summary rows to interpret results. Once done, cross-check by sampling source rows or rerunning a simplified test to confirm numbers. If the output looks off, pause and inspect ranges, label toggles, and data types. Mismatched labels or stray blank rows are common causes of wrong outputs. As a troubleshooting tip, recreate the table and rerun with a small test subset. That usually isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.